Here with Utopia Fiber, we're going to install some internet. Let's go knock on a door. This one, they did make a plan, and it brings me into the furnace room. That's where we're standing. So we came downstairs. Their furnace vent on the house comes off of the front of the home under a bay window, so we'll be able to hide it up underneath. It does make this one a tricky one for me, but that's all right because I know what I'm doing. We'll bring it through here, which is the furnace vent, and then into here. He's got power already laid out for us and everything. This is prepped a little more than normally people do. So we'll put this equipment we have on the wall right here. Got a little board we're gonna mount, and then this thing ends up on that board. So we're laid out pretty good. We'll show you when we get done. Either in your yard or somewhere on the property line, maybe the neighbor's yard, there's either a little green pot like this or maybe a rectangular green one, and that's where they bring the conduit to. So they came out here, they put a conduit in the ground, brought that thing right to where we need it. It's gonna be good. So this is your fiber. Looks a lot like all the other cables they put on your house. It's just more flat, and it is a fiber optic cable, so it's the best kind of internet cable. This house does have a vent that goes up into there, and that's that same one that will bring it through inside to get to the furnace room. So don't even have to drill a hole on this one, or they go next to an AC, don't have to drill a hole, or you make your own plan and we put it where you want it. Here we go, up into the vent. Okay, let's see if we can see it inside. To look at the ceiling, it's like I worked magic and brought that thing right in here. We need to get the fiber over to where we need it in the furnace room. This is the fiber that we're going to splice to. This one has the plug on it that fits into the ONT. So then we put our fiber into the cleaver, which has a very sharp blade to cut the fiber at a very precise angle. Fiber then goes into the splicer. This is an arc fusion splicer. Essentially, it's going to use electricity to weld two pieces of glass together. That way there's a fiber optic connection all the way into the home, no slowdowns. We even stripped the blue off. Now it's almost invisible. You because it's a bare fiber. So we put that bare fiber into the cleaver. Cut our fiber, and then into the other side of the splicer. The screen shows us what happens here as it goes. It shows two of them because there's a top and a side view. So as we push the button, it brings them closer together. It flashes a light, and that's the electricity that's gonna bond them together. But it does it once to clean them, and then a second time to bond it together. There's our splice. It shows all the levels are really good. The splice passes inspection by way of the splicer. So we run a speed test because they're activated on next mission. There we see a download speed 939. Upload speed 928. Run them over and over and they look like that all day. Referral number on there that gets you a gift card if anyone else signs up.
Okay.
So that's for you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. Thanks
Have a great day.